Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, then yeah, the chart is going to look a lot different to you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep the chart relevant for you whenever you are watching this. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning because this thing has been an absolute monster. So I'm just going to get rid of that line. And sure, those lines pertain. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The one adjustment I'm going to make is to move this line right up here to 6,300. And that is the new ideal area of support. Meaning if you're to ask, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Certainly if the price can stay above 6,300. So that also brings about the first question. So we'll just use Sunday afternoon. Let's say you're watching this video Sunday afternoon. Question number one that you need to ask yourself, nothing complicated at all, just simply, all right, well, where's the price at relative to 6,300? If you are answering the question that the price is still up above there, then that just means that the overall trend is about as healthy as it can get. Now, of course, you would want to see the price even higher, but my point is that even if it were to fall down to 6,300, go like that, and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have in that situation? What would still be in play? Well, you'd still have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have low. You get the point. And if you picture these as stair steps, well, the overall trend, the overall stair steps are still very clearly going in the upwards direction. So like I said, if you are answering the question that the price is still up above 6,300, then the bulls are in at full power. Now, if you are answering the question on Sunday afternoon, well, actually, Clay, the price is down below there right now, then the next immediate level that you would want to check in on would be the purple line right there, which is the 50 period at simple moving average. And we'll just call that 6,100. So if you're answering the price or answering the question that the price is down below 6,300, next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 6,100? Even if you're answering the question that the price is down below there, that would, I'm not saying the chart is destroyed. I mean, it would be something to kind of keep an eye on. But overall, with the way the trend is looking so far, I'd be shocked if the price is actually down below 6,100. But I suppose it is Bitcoin, so you never know. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, this is where gut instincts and common sense comes into play. Meaning if you're watching this Sunday afternoon and you're saying, well, Clay, not only is the price up above 6,300 right now, the price is up there at 6,800. Well, that tells you that not only is the overall trend healthy, it's just gotten that much healthier and the price has gotten that much more momentum to it. So from that point of view, your gut instincts and common sense can take you far. So overall, though, Bitcoin continues to grind higher and higher, so it'll be interesting to see how this weekend, I should say, plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.